What if I told you some birds don't sing, they scream? Not a little chirp, not a sweet melody. I'm talking about sounds so terrifying that people have called the police thinking someone was being murdered. These are not horror movie sound effects. These are real birds living on this planet right now. And by the time we reach number 1, I promise you, you will never look at birds the same way again. Stay till the end because number 1 is something you've never heard before. Make sure your volume is up. You'll need to hear this. Let's go. Number 15, limpkin. At first glance, this bird looks harmless, but the moment the sun goes down, everything changes. The limpkin lets out a loud, haunting wail, a sound that echoes through wetlands like a cry for help. People living nearby have reported hearing it and thinking someone was in serious danger, but when they look outside, there's no one there, just darkness and that sound. And the creepiest part, it can go on for minutes without stopping. Number 14, cassowary. This bird already looks like something from another world. Tall, powerful, almost prehistoric, but its sound? Even worse. Instead of a normal call, the cassowary produces deep, vibrating booms. So low, you don't just hear it, you feel it. Like something massive is nearby, watching you. And sometimes, you'll feel it before you even realize it's there. Like the ground itself is warning you to stay away. Number 13, kagu. This rare bird has one of the strangest calls ever recorded. It starts soft, almost like a whisper, but then suddenly, it turns into a series of sharp, barking cries. Completely unpredictable, completely unnatural, like it's trying to warn you to stay away. And just when you think it's over, it suddenly starts again. And trust me, it only gets worse from here. Number 12, lyrebird. This one is different because the lyrebird doesn't just make scary sounds, it copies them. Chainsaws, camera shutters, even human voices. There have been cases where people heard noises in the forest thinking someone else was there, but it wasn't a person, it was a bird, perfectly mimicking reality. And sometimes you won't even realize it's not real. Number 11, helmeted hornbill. This bird sounds aggressive. Its call is loud, chaotic, almost violent. But what makes it even more terrifying is what comes next. Two hornbills can clash mid-air, smashing into each other at full speed, and their calls during this moment sound like pure chaos. It doesn't sound like a bird fight, it sounds like a crash. Number 10, greater sage grouse. This one doesn't scream, but what it does is even stranger. It inflates air sacs in its chest and produces popping, bubbling sounds. It looks unnatural. It sounds unnatural, like something not from this world. If you think these are scary, you're not ready for the top 5. Number 9, horned screamer. The name already tells you everything. This bird doesn't sing. It releases extremely loud, piercing screams that can be heard from miles away. Sharp, sudden, and impossible to ignore. If you hear it unexpectedly, it will make your heart jump. Number 8, black-footed albatross. Out in the open ocean, this bird creates eerie, hollow sounds. Clicks, groans, and strange whistles that echo across empty water. Imagine hearing this alone in the middle of nowhere. No land, no people, just that sound. Number 7. Kiwi. Small bird, big nightmare. The kiwi's call is a high-pitched, shrill whistle that cuts through the night. It's sudden, it's sharp, and if you're not expecting it, it can genuinely scare you. Now we're entering the sounds that have actually terrified people in real life. Number 6. Potu. This bird might be the creepiest looking, but its sound is even worse. A long, sad, ghost-like moan, almost like someone crying in pain. Many people have heard it at night and felt something was wrong. But again, no human, just a bird. Number 5. Screaming 𝙃𝙈𝙎𝙬𝙧𝙖𝙯. This bird is famous for one thing: a loud, explosive scream. No melody, no rhythm, just a sudden blast of sound that echoes through the jungle. It's so loud, it can startle even experienced explorers. Number 4. Peacock. Yes, this one surprises everyone because it looks beautiful, but its call? Terrifying. A loud, crying scream that sounds almost human. If you hear it at night, you might not even recognize it as a bird. These next ones don't even sound like birds anymore. Number 3. Red-tailed hawk. This is the sound you hear in movies, but in real life, it's even more intense. A long, powerful scream that feels like a warning from above, like something is watching you from the sky. Number 2. 𝙃𝙈𝙎𝙬𝙧𝙖𝙯. At first, it sounds like laughter, but the longer you listen, the creepier it becomes. Loud, echoing, almost mocking you, like something is laughing at you from the darkness. Number 1. Barn owl. And here it is, the sound that has terrified people for centuries. The barn owl doesn't hoot, it screams. A long, chilling scream that sounds exactly like a human in distress. There have been real cases where people called emergency services thinking someone was being attacked, but when help arrived, there was no one there, just an owl hidden in the dark. These sounds are real, these birds are real, and some of them are closer than you think. Drop a comment below. Which one scared you the most? I read every single one. Until then, listen carefully to what's outside your window tonight. And if you haven't already, subscribe to HM Secrets.